Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about hot fix or hot salt promo. Something went wrong on Shazam. You click on settings. In this page, you go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this window, you will search about the application of Shazam, and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about Shazam. And then you will update your app if you find update here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your